Assuming that you're searching for SPEL token cost expectations gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the costs of SPEL token, SPEL, will go from now on, we will dissect the previous costs of SPEL token, SPEL, and we'll figure out what specialists most certainly are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this expectation in each and every forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, anticipating something so amazing is totally unthinkable. However, we will make an honest effort. We should begin in an unobtrusive manner. SPEL token past value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of SPEL token is $0.00063572, and SPEL sort of is as of now position number 313 in the whole crypto environment in a genuinely large manner. The dissemination supply of SPEL token is 107,405,628,969 with a market cap of $68,279,823. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the SPEL token's cost has shown a very decent increment of 1.41% as of now in an unobtrusive manner. SPEL in every practical sense, token is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The SPEL is down to nearly 16.04% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for especially beyond couple of days. The coin could major areas of strength for have, however, we don't imagine that it would a productive resource in genuinely present moment. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of SPEL diminished by 25.768%, disposing of an incredible typical amount of $0.00022068 from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be a decent purchase and open door for speedy venture. The 90 days cost change is around 2.50%. And the cost coursed from a base typical cost of $0.00061700 to most extreme in every way that really matters, normal cost of $0.00063320 in the sort of beyond 90 days. In fundamentally most recent 4 months in every way that really matters, SPEL token has shown a developing pattern. Accordingly, we believe that comparative pieces of the market were very famous at that period. As indicated by the sort of the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of SPEL token is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its cost. The coin is up by 3.05%. With the most extreme typical cost of the coin was around $0.00073770 and the base typical cost of in every practical sense was around $0.00066610 and beyond 4 months. We foresee future SPEL certainly token cost expectations SPEL conjecture by applying profound man-made brainpower helped specialized investigation on the past value information of SPEL token. We give our altogether most extreme verifiable information for the SPEL coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past cost, in a real sense SPEL token market cap, SPEL token volume, and scarcely any sort of something else. In the event that you really are hoping to put resources into advanced digital forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, fundamentally try to peruse our forecasts. SPEL token value expectation 2023 SPEL token cost is figured to arrive at least a specially conceivable degree of $0.00092135 in 2023. According to our discoveries, the SPEL cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.001, with the typical conjecture cost of $0.00094879. SPEL token value forecast 2024. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of SPEL, in 2024, the cost of SPEL token explicitly is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.001. The SPEL cost can in every practical sense arrive at a truly most extreme degree of $0.002, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.001. SPEL value figure for 2025, as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of SPEL, in 2025, the cost of SPEL fundamentally token really is estimated to be at around a base worth of $0.002. The SPEL token value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.002, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.002 in United States dollars. SPEL commonly token, SPEL, value forecast 2026. The cost of SPEL token is anticipated to generally reach at a truly least degree of $0.003 in 2026, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The SPEL commonly token cost can especially arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.003, with the typical cost of $0.003, all through 2026 incredibly. SPEL token value forecast 2027. The cost of one SPEL most certainly token in a real sense is supposed to reach at a really least degree of $0.004 in 2027, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The SPEL cost can sort of arrive at an exceptionally greatest degree of $0.005, with the typical cost of $0.004, all through 2027. SPEL token value expectation 2028. The cost of SPEL token is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $0.006 in 2028. The SPEL token cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.008, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.007 all through 2028, which is very critical. SPEL token, SPEL, value expectation 2029. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2029, the cost of SPEL pretty token is supposed to reach at least value worth of $0.009. The SPEL cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.011, with the typical worth of $0.009, which is genuinely huge. SPEL token value estimate 2030. The cost of SPEL kind of token is anticipated to reach at a genuinely least worth of $0.014 in 2030. In spite of mainstream thinking, the SPEL really token cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.016, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.014 all through 2030. SPEL token, SPEL, value expectation 2031. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2031, the cost of SPEL token is anticipated to reach at least degree of $0.020. The SPEL cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.024, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.020. SPEL token value expectation 2032. SPEL token cost is figured to arrive at a kind of the most minimal conceivable degree of $0.030 in 2032. According to our discoveries, the SPEL cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.034, with the very normal gauge cost of $0.031, which certainly is genuinely huge. Amazingly, what amount will explicitly SPEL token especially be really worth in 5 years? In 5 years, SPEL especially token will generally have a base cost of $0.005 and a most extreme cost of $0.